Hello everyone and welcome to today's video where I will be discussing a major issue that many online shoppers have faced, that checkout page is not working on their WordPress site. So here let me give you an example that what exactly is happening here. So click on this cart button. I have already added a product here. Go to your cart page and now I need to click on proceed checkout to access my checkout page. Click on proceed checkout. Now you can see here when I click on proceed to checkout, I get redirected to my home page. But it is happening for normal users only. When I try to access my checkout page using my admin panel, I can easily access that. So here if I click on proceed to checkout, here you can see that I can access that page easily. Here is no problem in accessing that. So this issue may arise because of many reasons. The first reason is the cache in your browser. You need to clean your cache after making changes in your website. You can use plugins for that. For example, WP Rocket, W3 Cache Cleaner, and many other plugins are here that you can use. And the second thing is that you can try is you can change your theme. Like if you have a WP Ocean theme, then you can once go to 2020 theme to check that is actually the problem with the theme or with anything else. And the third thing that you can try is you can deactivate your plugins except WooCommerce. Okay, and then enable them with a series and check which plugin is actually creating the problem here, and make sure that you have your website backup before doing all these things, because it can harm your website. You can lose your data, so make sure that you have your website backup, so if anything went wrong then you can upload your backup data here. Now in my case the problem is because of a plugin that is force authentication, and the plugin is used to make the user to log in your website so that he can check his order details after placing the order. So here is the plugin. I need to deactivate that plugin. Here is this plugin, force authentication before checkout for WooCommerce. When I click on deactivate, and if I go and check the thing again, now make sure that you clear your cache. And here, okay, so here we are done. Now go to your website where you are accessing that as a normal user. Make sure that you refresh it, as the cache plugin have already done this, but still you can refresh the page. Now go to cart page, click on proceed to checkout. Here you can see that we can easily access to our checkout page. In my case that plugin is making an issue, and if these things doesn't work, then make sure that you contact to WooCommerce as soon as possible. If you found yourself in this problem, try these 3 to 4 methods. You will be easily able to access your checkout page. Okay, and if you still need any assistance, then you can contact me through comment sections. If you have any question or would like to learn more, please leave a comment below, and as always, don't forget to like and subscribe for more information videos. Thank you for watching.